Hi guys, this is Larissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here. I'm excited to share with you my scripture writing setup for the week of July 12th through the 18th. And I use a 5 day a week scripture writing plan. And so for this one, I will be utilizing this area over here, the Saturday and Sunday, and the note area primarily for my decorations and so forth. But I like this particular planner because I like the basic layout of it. It doesn't have any pre-decorations in it beyond the font up here, which is okay because if I decide to at a later time, I could always cover that. But the last scripture writing plan that I showed to you, I did in a quadrant format. And I actually love the way that this turned out. It's just that I'm in a season where I need to sort of scale back on putting so much time into printing and cutting and so forth. I'm still getting set up in my new area where I'm crafting and stuff like that. So I figured for this remaining of the year, I would use a spiral planner, and I really wanted just anything with horizontal layout that didn't have a lot of pre-deco in it. And so this was the one that I could find. And I love that it's in spiral because for some reason I'm really into spirals for this portion of the year. So I'm glad to go with that. And I am going to set up my scripture writing using this beautiful kit from Print Pray Slay. And it's called Attributes of God. And this one is going to feature like scriptures about mercy. This particular kit comes in light, medium, and dark skin tones. And I do have the website linked down below that you can utilize. It is an affiliate link or coupon code that you can use to save on your purchases. Okay. Thank you in advance for using my link or code. But yeah, I just love this particular kit. It's really soft, elegant, beautiful. And we have some scriptures that are referencing this particular attributes of God. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a few other elements from the kit to set up my scripture writing plan. And then I'm going to save the actual the leftover decos, some of the words and the scriptures to actually use in another notebook that I have to write down and reference these particular attributes. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I've already cut out some of the elements that I am going to use for this particular spread. There's not a lot of flowers in this kit, but I will be cutting these flowers down to sort of spread them out through this setup. In addition to that, I'm going to also use some washi tape that I feel will complement this particular setup here. So I'm excited to show you guys that. So stay tuned while I go ahead and get this set up, and I will talk to you more about it as I go through this process. Okay, so you guys know how I like to do it. I like to speed up my videos some because I usually take a lot of time with decorating my planner, even though this is probably one of the more simplified ones that I've done in a while. But I still take time to like listen to sermons or meditate on the scripture while I'm doing this. So if not, you guys will be watching my video, or I would have a video that's very, very long. So I decided to start off with my Simply Gilded washi tape, and I'm going to use both colors. I'm going to go with the more pinker, baby pink color at the top here. And then I decided to go ahead and put down my doll sticker from the kit because I want to make for sure I allow enough room for that. I know that I'm going to put some flowers towards the bottom, so I didn't put her all the way down at the edge. And I did use my whiteout to sort of take out some of the lines behind the head because to me it interfered with the image a little bit, the face and the eyes and so forth of the face. So I did white out those parts there. And then I decided to go ahead and put down the scripture that came with the kit. That's Lamentations chapter 3, 22 to 23. I decided to put that by the doll area because, again, this is the area that I dedicate to most of the decorative portion of the spread. And I decided to slice some of the floral stickers in half in order to create more options in how I can utilize the stickers, or else I would be very limited. And so I thought, to create balance, it would be nice to put some at the top left hand portion and the bottom right hand portion, and that sort of balance it out in that way. And then with the rest of the florals, I'm just taking them, cutting them in half, and putting them either below the washi tape or above it. And some I actually cut on the side of the florals so that I can have more like a corner effect to it. And then I use all of my scrap florals to create additional decor. So I decided to go ahead and put down more of that dusty rose confetti washi tape in the middle portion of the spread, just to give it some more decorative elements. But I love this scripture, and it talks about an attribute of God. And the kit uses this variation of the scripture: the faithful love of the Lord never ends, his mercy never ceases. Great is his faithfulness. His mercy begins fresh each and every morning. I absolutely love that scripture, and it reminds me of the song, Great is Thy Faithfulness. So I hope that you enjoy this process video. Check out my link and coupon code for Print Pray Slay, and go ahead and grab your sticker kits to print out. And I hope that you will join me for next week's scripture writing setup. Thank you so much for joining me. God bless and have a wonderful day. Until we meet again. Bye bye.